watching it for that. This video will hunt Snail.
Watch the video till end if you want to see Snail coming out of shell.
Snail is in the lawn and garden and in wet fields. Snail, my friend. Snail is my friend. Where are you, friend? Oh wow, I found it! One,
Molly, Molly, Molly.
two, and three.
Molly, 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 Molly.
When snails sense danger around them, they hide into shell.
Molly, 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 Molly.
Snails are invertebrates, which means they do not have a backbone. These animals move around on a single muscly foot and carry their home shell on their backs. They retreat inside their shells at the first sign of danger. Snails are found on land and in the sea.
Molly, 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 Molly.